We will answer the 4 questions from dataset 1. We will first of all start by looking at the percentage of revenue. At each store, we have 2 main locations, Ottawa and Paris. So we are going to use pivot tables, and it's very easy and straightforward. How do we go about doing that? Click anywhere inside your data from dataset 1. Go to Insert, click on Pivot Table. Accept the default, let it be a new worksheet. We'll click OK. Here it gives us a new worksheet. I will double click and give it a name. I'll say Pivot Analysis 1. And now we want to answer the question. We want to look at the percentage of revenue at each store. So we are looking at the location as well as the revenue. So let's come here. We have the store. I'll pull it and put it where we have rows. And for price, I'll place it under values. That's it. The next thing is to come, click here, value fields, show value fields, click there, percentage of grand total, OK, and there we go. So we can see that 51% or 52% of the sales are coming from Ottawa and 48% from Paris. We go to the second question where we look at the percentage of revenue that occur each month. So we are interested in month and revenue. In order to do that, we go to dataset 1, click inside, go to Insert, Pivot Table. Now we are going to say Existing Worksheet. Go to Pivot Table 1, click on it, come and click under the first table, and OK. And there we go. So the question we are trying to answer, the inside, is to find out the percentage of revenue that occurs each month. So I have month here. I'll click on it, put it where we have row, click on price, put it where we have value. We are interested in percentage, so I'll click there, value field setting, show value as, click there, percentage of total, OK, and there we go. We can see what percentage of revenue we receive by month. So you can just change this and you put percentage. And here is percentage revenue by location. Now you could also make this quite interesting. Okay, I'll double click here so that you can see it. You could make it interesting by comparing the percentage and the absolute value. So in order to do that, just take price, place it under values, and there you have the value. Now I will say revenue or total revenue. Go where you have sum of price, click on the drop down arrow. Let me first enter. Drop down arrow, value field setting, go to number format, take accounting. I don't want any decimals. I'll click there, go all the way down. I'm looking for Canadian dollars. I want to use CAD, take it, and OK, OK, and there we go. So you can see the percentage, the absolute value of sales or of revenue per month. And that's it for that one. The next question is how much revenue does each product generate? So we go back to dataset 1. Click anywhere inside, click on Insert, Pivot Table, allow the default, click on Existing Worksheet, Pivot Analysis, Click below that one and OK. Scroll up. Now the question is revenue by product. So I'll take product and place it where I have my rows. Price, put it there, and there we go. The last thing to do is to click on sum of price, value field setting, number format, accounting, all the way to CAD. OK, OK, and voila. So this is revenue by product. Just a slight adjustment here. I don't want the decimals. Go back to revenue, value field settings, number format, get rid of this. Okay. Okay. There we go. The last question. Which products generate 80% of the revenue? We are going to repeat what we have here. Data set 1, click anywhere inside, insert, pivot table, existing worksheet, pivot analysis 1, click below, OK. And there we go. So we will repeat the process, product in rows, price where we have values, and we'll go there, value field setting, number format, account, I want CAD, 0 decimal places, OK, OK. Now, this is the moment of truth. We want to look at 80%. So it says the products that generate 80% of revenue. So we will click here on this drop down box, filter values, take top 10, but we don't want top 10, we want top 80. So we will just type 80, top 80% by revenue. So when we change this to revenue, we will have revenue here. So it's okay, sum of price, that's what we have here. Okay. So we could change this to revenue, which means if you come here and you do what we just did, you will find revenue here. Perfect. So basically, these are the products which help us to have 80%. Now we could click there, right click, take sort largest to smallest. So we can see click 8 gives us the largest amount of our revenue, and the sum of the 6 products generate 80% of the income of the supermarket. That's it for the first part of the data set, and have fun.